How to use AirDrop for easy file sharing on macOS. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to use AirDrop for easy file sharing on macOS, there are several options. Firstly, tap on Finder and in the left side panel, you will see the option for AirDrop. Tap on that. If you do not see the option for AirDrop there, tap on the Go option on the top toolbar and you will see the option for AirDrop. Tap on that. Now here, in Allow Me to be discovered by drop-down, select either contacts or everyone in order to be discovered by people around you. And the same process has to be repeated in other nearby devices too. You will now be able to see all the nearby devices. Drag the files towards the device that you want to share through AirDrop and your file will be sent. You can also tap on the Control Center option on the top right toolbar and tap on AirDrop and enable or disable AirDrop from there too. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.